I'm meteorologist Jim Poirier, your weather warrior, with today's weather headlines. Warmer and more humid weather today will give way to a cooler, drier, and more autumnal air mass for Wednesday. Quiet weather will prevail for the rest of the work week, but then another weather maker will head in from the west just in time for at least the early portion of the weekend. Temperatures will seesaw a bit as warmer air masses are followed by cooler ones over the next several days. Looking at the weather map, high pressure was in the process of moving off the eastern seaboard this morning. A warm front was approaching from the southwest, and once that passes by around midday, a more humid southerly flow of air will bring warmer temperatures for this afternoon and early tonight. The companion cold front will swing through the region overnight and usher in a more seasonable and refreshing air mass for Wednesday. Current early morning temperatures were mostly in the 70s, with a few upper 60s over the higher elevations north and west. The warm front will generate a few light and widely scattered showers as it passes to the north for your Tuesday morning, but in the wake of the front, with partial to almost full sun later today, temperatures will top out in the upper 70s to lower 80s, which is about 5 degrees above normal. South or southwest winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour this morning will increase to 15 to 20 miles an hour this afternoon behind the warm front. Lots of clouds and scattered showers, or even a brief thunderstorm associated with the cold front, are expected to clear out fairly quickly overnight, as winds aloft are helping to move the system along pretty rapidly. With the clouds and some wind, though, temperatures won't drop a whole lot tonight, with lows only in the upper 50s to mid-60s. With breezy northwest winds Wednesday, cooler air entering the region will dictate that highs will make it to only around 70. Winds from the northwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour tomorrow will gust up to 30 miles an hour at times. Taking a look through the end of the work week, high pressure will build over the area Wednesday night and remain for Thursday and much of Friday. But as it moves off the coast, another cold front looms for Saturday. With the late week dome of cool high pressure, temperatures will be seasonable, with lows in the 40s and 50s Wednesday night and highs rising to 68 to 75 Thursday. An enhanced return flow of southerly air Friday will couple with an increase in clouds, with seasonable highs in the mid-70s to near 80. That next cold front looks to pass through later Saturday or Saturday evening. Saturday morning looks dry, but scattered thunderstorms will enter the picture for Saturday afternoon and evening. Highs Saturday are expected in the 70s to near 80, then clearing and cooler weather Sunday will feature highs of 70 to 75. That'll do it for your weather. This is Jim Poirier, your weather warrior. Now back to the news desk. I'm Jim Poirier, your weather warrior, with new information on our ongoing severe weather event. As we've been forecasting, a strong warm front, cold front couplet will affect our region late this afternoon and this evening. The east-west warm front was currently bisecting our area and drifting slowly northward. Several strong thunderstorm cells earlier yielded heavy rain, which caused localized flash flooding over southeastern Pennsylvania this afternoon, with radar estimating up to 3 inches of rain in less than an hour over lower Bucks County. Bucks County Emergency Management reported numerous water rescues in Bristol and Levittown. More strong storms were currently scattered in the vicinity of the front through east central Pennsylvania and central New Jersey. Doppler radar showed that a few of these cells were rotating, which is to be expected in the proximity of a warm front and its curving inflow. Rotating supercell thunderstorms can produce tornadoes, so the Storm Prediction Center earlier issued a tornado watch until 9 p.m. tonight for our entire area. In fact, if we focus on the strongest cell over northeastern Burlington County, velocity imagery shows increasing rotation at the lowest levels. This could be a developing tornado, and this will have to be watched through the next 15 to 30 minutes for possible severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. Residents in Wrightstown and North Hanover will be in the path of this storm in the next 15 minutes. As these cells move into greater instability, it appears they will eventually affect Jackson and Freehold, and maybe even stronger when they do. One cell has already produced over 1,000 cloud-to-ground lightning strokes within the past 45 minutes. Commuters will see spotty heavy rain along central portions of the New Jersey Turnpike, as well as I-195 and routes 33 and 537 in central New Jersey. If a warning is issued for your area, or you suspect that severe weather is imminent, get inside and move either down into your basement or into an interior room on the lowest floor in order to get away from outside walls. And make sure you stay away from windows. A sharp cold front attached to low pressure in upstate New York will swing through our region this evening, with a line of severe thunderstorms expected to accompany it. In fact, radar shows this line currently developing over southern New York and eastern Pennsylvania in the warm and unstable air just to the east of the front. Severe wind gusts, possibly to 70 miles an hour, are likely to accompany some of these thunderstorms as they pass through between 7 and 9 o'clock. So it'll be a good idea to head inside as this line passes, especially since numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes and heavy downpours limiting driving visibility will occur with this activity. Once the cold front passes by, clearing, windy, and colder weather will commence for the overnight period, and a much colder day is on tap for tomorrow. Lows tonight will sink to the mid-40s to around 50, and in fact temperatures will be 5 to 10 degrees below normal tomorrow, with highs only in the upper 50s and lower 60s. A stretch of quiet weather will extend through the end of the week, with seasonable lows in the 40s and 50s and highs in the 60s each day. Then another weather system will head in just in time for the weekend, with more rain chances by Saturday. That low-pressure area is currently forecast to be a strong one and could bring more heavy rain to the area early in the weekend. After that, sharply colder weather, with the first taste of winter in the cards, as a northwest flow in the upper atmosphere will deliver a much colder air mass for a good portion of next week. So look for highs only in the 40s early next week. Lows will be in the 30s, and some lows could drop below freezing north and west. I'll have more updates on the progress of these strong to severe thunderstorm cells within the next 10 minutes, so stay with us for the very latest weather developments. Now back to the news desk.